Hello guys, it's Kyle here with another Madden video today. And today I will be doing the players pack opening. So, hoping to get a few elites. If I get no elites, then I'll be fine with it, but hoping to get an elite. I've seen people have been getting a lot of elites, so EA looks like they're giving out nice packs so far. Here we go. So, players pack. Give your roster a massive boost with this pack of 12 or better players. 12 gold or better players. Each pack also includes one frozen collectible. Here we go. Come on, be an update team. Oh, yes. This could be nice. Jed Collins. Dontre Inman. Come on, better not be the only update team. Soldier Field. CJ Wilson. That's an absolute horrible pack. I better get something good. Come on, EA, be nice to me. Be an update team. Yes, okay. This could be an elite. So MetLife. Okay, so that's good. So far it's so good. Ruben Randall. Two Team League players so far. I hope I get an elite. I will be very mad if I don't. If I won't be mad, I'll just be sad that EA can't be nice enough. Yep, and EA can't be nice enough to give me elite. So open a few pro packs and I will end this video. Take that, so this will be the last pack. Clay Matthews, 96 Football Outsiders. Let's go! Yes! Finally. That's awesome. Okay, please leave a like down below and subscribe. And see you later.